Brand new. Looks like an actual Prius. But this is a Camry. Why do I know that? Because let's walk around back. Because that's where it says Camry. But it's designed after the Prius. And the Prius came first. And this is HEV. So hybrid electric vehicle. Whatever the hell that means. We're doing an engine filter. 1, 2, up and out. Come on, dude. Look, that's not even 30 seconds of video, and the other side wasn't even anything important. So there you go. There you have it. So, line these guys back up. Look at this. I'll put the link in the description. And, actually, I want to know what it is. So let's fast forward to, oh, there you are. That's what we need. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.